Does every policy cover towing and car rental?
No, every policy does not. As a matter of fact, those two that you mentioned are optional coverages that you have to purchase if you want them to be on your policy.
Are they separate or do they go together?
Actually, they are similar but separate. You buy towing and labor coverage, and then you purchase loss of use coverage, which is the rental car you just mentioned.
Well, can a Focus agent explain, like I have AAA, so I can buy rental car coverage and not necessarily get the towing?
In a lot of cases, yes. However, you probably want to have both. Extremely inexpensive on a policy. For a few dollars, you can have that coverage. The rental car coverage is a little bit more, of course, but I try to convince all my customers to purchase that, because when you have an accident, the first thing that you want is a rental car. When you report that accident to your carrier, you want to know when you're going to pick up your rental car. To find out at that last minute that you don't even have the coverage, well, that can cause you to have a bad day.
Well, now, the cost of it is reasonable for me?
Oh, absolutely. Rental car coverage is less than $30 per 6 months in most cases. And they can pay up to $60 a day, up to $900 total for a rental car. So if you need a car for a week or 10 days while they're repairing your cars, it's covered. You need it. It's just part of a good policy.
Now, will a Focus agent help me determine if that's the right thing for me?
Absolutely. Every customer that we give a quote for, we include that coverage. We'll explain how it works, we explain what it costs. If you should opt not to have that coverage, we can take it off. Again, it's always best to have that coverage, because when you have an accident, you want to be covered. You don't want to have to borrow your car from your neighbor to get to work the next day. You want a rental car, and we explain that to you.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.